Dear parents and students, several of you have asked about how to access the old assignments in Teams. So here's a video tutorial. So your students should go to Math 5th, Miss Butler's homeroom, and then they should go to Assignments. If they didn't see the assignments listed on this page, they need to click Load Previous and Load Previous again until they see which one they needed to work on. Like for example, if they didn't do very well on the first week warm-ups, here it is. All About Me was graded also. That's an easy way to make 100. If your child's grade is not 100 for All About Me, could you please have him or her redo the assignment? Our assignment for first 6 weeks have been made to be easier for the students to work on. They are all in format. What I meant by this is like this. This is estimation worksheet for September 16th. This is what your child would see. And they need to work this problem with an example. Like 576 is called, so they need to read all this instruction here so they didn't miss the intent of the form. Also, I suggest that your child attend the Zoom meeting because we discussed the concepts in detail during those meetings, and also how to work each of the problems. In this case, estimation worksheet, this is called the front-end estimation method. Rewrite the math problem as an estimate and solve them. Do this on paper. Input your answer in the form below. Use the front-end estimation method. And I have a recording for front-end estimation method, which I will post in the general feed. So where that would be, if you go back to general, I need to close this one, and click post, you can find the retake. When your child didn't do very well on the first round of warm-ups or estimation retake, they can redo it here. It has the math Zoom invitation, even the Friday math tutorials should your child need an extra tutorial. There's a key for warm-up 3 if they need it. There's also, I believe, key for warm-up 1, 2 if you scroll. Maybe I posted it here. Here's the key to warm-up 1, 2. So there are 2 ways for your child to access their assignment. They can go to assignments, as I show you, and load previous, or they can click on this one. Warm-ups are always graded, homeworks are always graded, and assessments are graded. So I hope that helps. If you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to email me. If I didn't get back to you within 2 days, please do email me back, because sometimes I get way too many emails and your email gets buried on the bottom. Thank you very much for all your support. Just a friendly reminder that next week is the last week for your child to make correction for this first reporting period. Thank you.